out the way.
Uh-oh.
Burnout.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost GT500, coming at you with another video, man. I know it's kind of weird. You're probably asking yourself, like, okay, why is he outside in the dark, standing in front of the shop behind me? I'm gonna explain to you right now. But first, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, support the channel, support your boy. But anyway, back to the video, man. As you can see right behind me, I am at Sal's Tire and Auto Center. Yes, sir. You already know what that means. I am dropping the Raptor off. As you can see, we are going to get these bad boys installed. The Eibach the Eibach Leveling Springs for the truck. So, yeah, guys, this should be, it will be, the last time you see this truck in stock form, baby. We're going to have a nice little stance for this beast right here. We're going to do them leveling springs. Up that up, we can get these ugly bougie wheel and tire setup off, because my new wheels and tires is here. Sal's Auto and Tire Center is going to be mounting and balancing the new wheels and tires. They're going to install the springs. So hopefully by tomorrow, when I get that call, we're going to have a new looking truck, man. We're going to have a nice truck with some nice wheels with a good stance. I can't wait to see it. So yeah, I'm dropping off the truck right now. So hopefully tomorrow, like I said, when I pick up the truck, everything will be ready. We'll have a nice new look, and I can't wait to show you guys, man. So before I end this video, let's get one last look at this factory look. These ugly factory wheels with the factory stands. You feel me? Damn, I love this truck, guys. I love this truck, man. So here we got it, man. So it's a bit cold. My wife is waiting for me. I'm gonna check back with you guys tomorrow, and hopefully everything will be done, complete. And I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to see what the truck's gonna look like with the leveling springs and the wheels and tires. We doing 35s in this bad boys. So yeah, I'll check you guys in the field. All right, peace. What's going on, everybody? It's the next day. I'm finally back. I got the call from Sal's Tire Auto Center that the truck is done. I'm happy as hell. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Let's walk in and see. Let me show you the place first. You know what I mean? Got this nice, beautiful sign. Got Sal behind the counter. You know what I mean? What's going on, bro?
Hey, there he is.
Sal's Tire and Auto.
That's us. Hey, Mom.
Owner and operator of this beautiful place, man. Check out this waiting room, man. You got John over here, always a Boost member. Check out this beautiful room, man.
Welcome, welcome, everybody.
Look at this. What you got on the TV? Oh, okay. What is this?
Stuff.
You know, what's this, fastest car?
It's Fast and the Furious.
All right, on Netflix. I mean, guys, who wouldn't want to come to a shop like this with a waiting room, nice and clean, got a little snacks for you, free of charge, got some water, you know, beautiful sign. But let's we can get down to business, man. How the truck came out, man. Would you, tell the viewers exactly what you did.
Show them the truck?
Not yet.
All right, let's go out and look at it.
Woo!
It looks amazing. Come on, walk right through there.
Yeah, boy. Let's go, let's go. Y'all ready? Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Y'all ready to see this? Y'all ready? Wow.
A nice lift in the front.
Wow.
Topped off with some Fuel Wheels and 35-inch Toyos.
Woo. You want to share the specs?
Hey guys.
Share the specs. Share the specs.
Are you sure you want everybody knowing that?
I mean, look,
they're not gonna have to do any homework.
Comments anyway.
So here you guys got it, right? Toyos, 35s. I'm not giving out any specs. You gotta pay for that experience. Oh, perfect offset, as you can tell in the back. Perfect offset in the front. Right? Take a look at that. Isn't that nice?
I can stick my head in here.
Something about these Raptors. Hey, what? Don't get it stuck.
Yeah, I can stick my head in there.
Eibach. This truck just looks beautiful, man. Set up perfectly. Perfectly. You talk about perfecting something that's already perfect. Here it is right here. Just beautiful. And this car aligned beautifully without having to do much
Sal, man, you guys knocked it out with this one, bro.
Yeah, brother. My
You
pleasure,
guys
man.
knocked it out with this
Thank
one,
you.
man.
I think this camera for you.
Woo! What you guys think, man? Y'all like it? I love it. I love it. Sal Sayanola Center, man. If you're looking to get any truck work, any service on your vehicle, this is the place to bring it to, man. You know, as you can see, like you said, we did some fuel wheels, some Toyo tires, Eibach Leveling Springs. Man, look. Stance and offset's perfect. Stance, I am happy, man. I am happy. I am so happy. So, yeah, guys, this is it, man. Almost down to the last stretch. We got one more thing. Windows are tinted, check mark. Leveling springs are in, check mark. Wheels and tires are installed, check mark. Next thing to do, man, is get this bad boy cleaned up. It needs a nice ceramic coating, a nice detail, you know, make it look brand spanking new. My guy Clean Coat will handle that, man. But guys, I'm excited. I'm about to take this truck for a drive. Thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm excited, as you can see on my face. Southside North said did a banging job, man. They did a banging job. So I will put all his information in the description below. I'll put the information for the springs and the wheels also in the description below, man. Like and subscribe, so support your boy, man. The Raptor, AKA Smoke. I don't think I told you guys that yet, though. I named the truck Smoke, so that's what we gonna call it, Smoke. Damn. One more look, one more look, one more look. Man. All right, on to another video. Peace.